Market is horrible. Are you dating?
No, because the market is horrible.
Yeah.
You're the lucky one.
I mean, it's a different
Market.
market.
Draw each other's dream man.
These are biceps.
Yeah, bicep.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
I was like, why are little boobs gone?
That's some fine shit.
Yay! I like
Fine
it.
shit. All the nice songs, she goes on to that one song.
Rita, can you please do the hook step also for me now? It took me a while to get like.
This-
Whoa!
Welcome to Zivame Presents The Good Girls Show, Besties Edition. And I have two.
We're trying.
They're trying. Rida and Ruhi, welcome on The Good Girls Show.
Ruha.
The
Re-
hashtag already.
Yeah,
Wow,
see?
that's cute.
It cannot be Ruri. So it has to be Riru.
Did you make it or is there an actual
I
hashtag?
think she just came up with
I just
it.
came up with
Yeah.
it.
Just came up with
It's
that.
like Rida and Ru.
That's cute.
And Ru.
Riru.
Because I call her Rua or Ru is my thing. So it's either Ruru or Ru.
Ruru.
But then
Ruru.
apparently Ruru is somebody else also.
Kali
so-
Kali Aankhein. Thank you so much, girls, for being on the Good Girls Show. And I'm so
Yes, sir.
excited to, have you both. Also, I'm so excited to actually know about your friendship because we've obviously seen it on the internet, but like now I'm
No,
going to
but-
have.
But I think we're low key.
Yeah,
very low key
very,
on the
very,
internet.
Very low key on
Yeah.
this.
We've known each other for I think 4.5
Yeah,
years
yeah,
or
yeah.
something.
5 years almost.
Yeah, almost.
Wow.
And but that's the best part I like about her is we are the ones who call each other on a regular basis. So it's not like, oh, we hang out and we make content and we're out there. But I know for a fact that I can call this woman at any given point of time and she can call me at any given point of time.
Facts.
And we're
Yeah.
just like there.
Before we begin with the first segment, I want to address your t-shirt. Really. It says, happiness can't buy you money. And I love it.
It's true, I think. And I feel like Rida, I know, can relate. I wore this for her because I know how Rida is. So, yeah, this is for her.
Okay, so we're going to do a segment called Have You Ever?
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Have you ever had a crush on the same guy?
I mean, I'm glad I like what
this
I like.
question.
Yeah, and she likes what she
What she
likes.
likes.
I don't think this is ever
We have
going to be a
different
problem.
Yes, it will never be a problem.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Unless I wake up one day and it is a problem. Until now, it is not going to be a
Yeah,
problem.
no.
Okay.
But do you ever had issues with the kind of people I've had crush on?
Yes,
Ah.
for sure. I think she has a very, she has no type. It's kind of sad. I think she deserves better, like every time. But
Yeah, that's why I'm single because I haven't
yeah,
found anyone
but then
deserving.
she just talk about like random guys, and I'm just like, yeah, no, like you.
Yeah, that's
you know,
because
look at
I'm
you.
bored and I'm like, let's see what is in the market, and then I'm disappointed and I come back.
She's smart. She's smart like that for sure.
Have you ever accidentally revealed each other's secret?
To each other,
No.
to somebody else.
Yes.
No.
no,
Never.
No. Okay.
One thing about me is I don't care how bad things get with us. Your
Yeah.
secret is always safe with me.
Same with me.
And I'm just like, it's okay.
I think it's a fact, and I feel like talking about people is just like, especially about
Shitty.
their personal shit, is like kind of like,
Yeah,
I
shitty.
think it's cheap.
But if I hate you, I will talk about you.
Okay, you were?
Ah,
No.
yes, I cannot wait.
Have you ever ditched your bestie for a date?
It's not ditching. It's like, yo, I'm just gonna go see someone else.
Okay, I think
Like
it's a
this-
very Indian thing, you know, where you feel like, oh my God, you ditched me and all of that stuff. And her being in New York and I
Yeah,
having traveled
Baltimore.
solo and to so many places, I believe that it's not that big of a deal. Like tomorrow, if you say, hey, I'm having like a cute date, I'm like, please go. Like,
Yeah.
ditch me and
There's
go. Like, I want you to
understanding.
have a chapter in your life that's fun and it's not this thing at all. So for me, I absolutely do not take personally, but I've realized a lot of Indian folks do take it. Like, how can you ditch me and go? can't believe she
Actually,
ditched
I'll
me.
just call her and like join us. Yo,
Oh,
Rida,
yeah.
join
Oh
us.
my God, the
Yeah,
amount
that's
of
what I
dates
do.
I've joined with Ruhi. I'm like, girl, at this point, let's just not do this. Please keep me out of this.
Have you ever sent each other screenshots of a conversation?
Of course.
Ops,
Yeah, I think
absolutely.
most of the time. Like, I
Yeah.
kind of like every other day.
When we decode, we are like sitting and decoding.
Yes.
And but I feel like Ruhi is a very empathetic person because every single time she's also sent a screenshot, right? And usually usually with my case, I'm trying to always villainize the other person. But with Ruhi, it's not that case. She's always be like, this happened, but also let me tell you that maybe I'm also at fault. And for that, I'm always like, okay, that's actually sweet. You know, she doesn't have to do it because I will have her back no matter what.
Yeah.
But in the meantime, she's also like, maybe I also need to grow as a person. So I have done this. Maybe that is also the reaction it's causing. But this is the info we have outside.
Have you ever borrowed each other's clothes
I think you have borrowed mine.
I always have
and never
bought-
returned?
Yeah.
No. Ruhi is very strict about her clothes, huh? So she already tells me that I'm giving this to you, but I want this back. This I have 50,000 years of memories attached to it and all that, which I really respect because I hate sharing clothes.
Have you ever called out each other's problematic behavior?
Absolutely, yes.
yes.
I think that's why we call each other. I want to know what I'm doing wrong, and I
No,
think she
yeah,
does the same.
yeah,
Like
yeah. It's a very honest conversation. You will never see sugarcoating with us, and we don't take offense in what you said. So I'm not going to be going and
Yeah.
saying, "Can you believe I called her Bruhi and said this, and she said this about me?" Nothing of that sort. I know when I call her, there's no bullshit. You know, she'll tell me on the face like, "Okay, maybe you did this." I'm like,
yeah.
"Okay."
Have you ever been a third wheel?
In her case, absolutely, always.
Yeah?
In my case,
no.
we need to get a guide for the
Yeah.
third wheel.
There is no second person only.
Yeah.
I think we are dating at times when I'm with her. Like Rida, come on, like, do you have someone?
Like I can't even ask her to set me up on a blind date. Absolutely not, because all her friends that I know are not my type at all.
Yeah.
And yeah. it's-
Really? Yeah. She has a bad, like I said, the type is.
No,
is
the set of men she's friends with are all not my taste. That's problematic.
They're
but
cutie guys. I mean, she's single, so I think the problem is not the friends or the guys. The problem is the
Is that I'm
guys.
single? The market is horrible. Are you dating?
No, because the market is horrible.
Oh,
I
wow.
agree.
Yeah.
You're the lucky one.
I mean, it's a different
Market.
market.
Okay, have you ever pretended to be on a phone call with each other to get out of a situation?
SOS?
have.
Yes, I feel like you just
Yeah.
You always message SOS, so like
Yeah,
answer the phone call.
quickly, Yeah. There are so many
Yeah.
times I also feel, oh, Ruhi is calling. And I've done so many times.
Have you ever helped each other through a heartbreak?
You better say yes.
Yes. I mean, it's always, again, I call her when I'm feeling some type of way, so I'm just like, Rida.
Yeah, she's always. I know it. I'm like, oh,
Yeah.
let's get into this.
Because she
again.
knows the whole story. अब मैं कहाँ दूसरों के पास जाऊँ? I have one more best friend.
No,
Thank
my
you.
thing is, I know she knows what to do. I just want her to like feel okay a little bit, because in those times the emotions are a little high. That is all. She's a very smart woman. She knows exactly what she wants. She just needs to pass through that day and rant it out. That's all.
Yeah.
Mine, I don't think I've had heartbreaks. I'm living life.
I don't think Rida has been in a proper serious relationship no?
Yeah,
since
it's
the
been,
time
like, a
like we
long
know
time.
each other. Yeah.
4-5 years.
That's why. आने दो इसको. फिर आएगा इसका call. Ruhi. Like a proper like love where you're like
I
always.
want to. Like, every time I'm jealous that she is so beautifully into it that I appreciate it big time. Because I'm sometimes like, oh my God, when will I feel this to another person where I actually want to work things through and I want to put in
Yeah,
so
it's
much efforts. क्योंकि मेरे साथ ऐसा होता ही नहीं है. For me, I'm just like, oh.
So she like the minute she sees anything going off, she's like, out.
And my guard is always high.
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
super high. It's so hard for me to put it down.
Why do you think your guard is high, Rida?
Firstly, I think the relationships I've had before, I've given it my all. And because I haven't gotten the same thing, I just kind of like started building it up. And I'm a giver big time. And I have never found anyone who's been able to reciprocate it at all. And I realized a pattern of trying to find broken men and trying to fix them while I'm like, I can't do mother duties.
It is exhausting. You know, I read something, you mentioned patterns. Crazily, I read something this morning only. It's a very beautiful post that said that working on patterns or recognizing your pattern is a lonely journey.
Yes.
Because by the time you do that, you've already been called dramatic, crazy, and all the other
Made you
things.
feel insecure, like a lot of things.
And I
It's-
feel
it's a
like
lot.
with women, we are so hormonal that our emotions change. Like how she feels today
Oh
is
my
not
God,
the same
yes.
thing you feel tomorrow. So now I understood that, maybe I'm just hormonal. I just need to let go through this phase. I'll be fine tomorrow. I'll be okay.
Yeah.
In some other
I have to use my card. I'm like, oh no, I'm feeling very emotional. I'm PMSing. Yeah, the ladies I act like, like, oh no, I'm just, periods, like day one, I'm just going through a lot. We're back to basic.
Okay. All right, guys, we're going to do another fun activity now. I'm going to give you
We have to draw each other.
this.
Oh, that'll be the funniest thing ever. Absolutely.
Okay,
not.
now pick your favorite color or whatever. Whichever
Yellow.
color you want to.
Oh, I don't think so, but let me go with Purple.
Let me go with blue.
I like blue too.
Yo, why is it not coming? That's what she said.
Draw each other's most used emoji.
See, this is why the difference. I'll show you the
Sure. Huh.
artwork. This is Rida's emoji.
Yes.
Yay.
Draw each other like an emoji. Like if, for example, if Rida was an emoji, what emoji would she be, and vice versa?
My emoji as for me
Yeah.
is this.
That's good. See, that's not
a
even an
really
emoji.
nice
Exactly.
one.
She
She's
can't say
actually
emoji,
looked
but
at you right now and she's scared.
over this. This is why I don't like her. Now try to guess this because I can put money. Ki y'all can't guess this.
What is
It's like a banana.
No, it's chili, like hot chili. Red.
Oh, like that.
How do I make it? Yeah, because she's hot.
I love the hotness coming out.
Thank you for. I'm
I was
telling
like,
you.
if she was an emoji, I think there needs to be an emoji with bangs and a hat.
Draw how Ruhi looks like when she's dancing.
Oh, that's funny. She has to draw, right?
Yes.
This is how she looks.
Yeah. That is true.
The body is not. It's
That is
a
true.
stick figure. You'll never know when she's moving in what
Yeah,
direction. The
it's-
hand is somewhere. The cap's gone somewhere. The leg's gone somewhere. She's in the middle of some people and she's pulling. It's chaotic.
Your turn now, Ruhi. You have to draw
Yalla.
Rida when she is traveling.
That's kind of cute. I like it. Yeah. That's Rida with a matcha and phone.
Yeah. I
So
just
cute.
drank my matcha and I came.
See? And curly hair. पता नहीं ये कैसे curly hair बना but मजा आ गया.
Draw each other's dream partner. Ruhi खुद ही बना के खुद ही हंस रही है.
If it's a bad man, I will end your life. I'm telling you.
Sure.
Okay.
Abs, I like that.
Yeah, abs, muscles, see biceps.
Yeah, but why did you make yourself Ruhi? It's like jots. I would kill myself if a man is wearing jots and coming.
अभी उसके chicken legs नहीं दिखा रही थी मैं छोड़ो.
Yes, okay.
Yeah, okay, ठीक है.
Yeah.
That's ew.
Oh, these are biceps.
Yeah, biceps.
Oh wow.
Yeah,
Those
so
are
Why
biceps.
I was like, why are little boobs gone?
Look at his neck. No neck. Because Rida के सामने बोलेगा ही कौन तो उसका गला ही एकदम छोटा है. Only money, 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 money. Yeah.
A little head you need.
Head.
थोड़ा तो intellectual चाहिए मेरे को. वरना मैं क्या?
इतना बड़ा मुंह बना दिया मैंने उसका देखना बाल के साथ. बाल लोगों की कितनी प्रॉब्लम हो रही है आजकल. See?
बाल लोग
Nice.
For Rui, it's a curly-headed baddie,
Yeah.
and I feel like it's a very pretty, huh?
Yeah, let's look at the eye. The eyes somehow have so much like empathy.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
See
think that's
those
nice.
eyes.
That's actually nice. That's really good.
Really nice.
Really good. शक्ल से तो बेचारी दहीसर पोइसर लग रही है आंखों से. वहाँ नाइस दहीसर वहाँ नाइस पोइसर.
Oh, looking London, talking Tokyo.
ना looking what?
Looking London, talking Tokyo.
इसलिए इंग्लिश जोक्स पे हंसी नहीं आती मुझे.
Draw something that signifies a friendship.
Oh wow.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Yeah. Whoa. What is that? That looks like microphobia. क्या है वो micro?
Mitochondria.
Microphobia.
What the fuck is that?
What is it?
Looks like food.
Yes.
Nagarjuna.
Yeah. So it's like a very typical South Indian meal on a banana plate with
That's
like rice and
true,
roti
that's
and that.
true.
So for me, it's like comfort meal, comfort food. You can never go wrong with it.
That's me.
So for me, I feel like our friendship is that.
Oh, that's so sweet.
That's sunflower. See, this is why I was asking for like
Yellow.
yellow.
Yeah.
Yeah, 'cause she is this for me in life.
it is.
And she always sends me flowers. Always. कहीं ना कहीं से तो रिदा के फूल आ ही रहे घर पे. Like it's so cute. But
That's so cute. That's really, really cute. Cause so she's your comfort meal and she's a sunflower.
yeah.
Yeah, that's cute. Draw something you want each other to achieve in the next few years.
Oh.
Oh wow.
Where do you want her to be? What do you want her to achieve?
How do you draw that?
Okay.
Yeah, I think that's
sure? Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Wow, why we have
Same thing.
Ooh,
Really?
kind of.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Okay. So mine is first you just see this. So I believe that she's gonna have a space, a gym of her own.
Yeah. Well, I like that.
So that is, I mean, she's been wanting to do that. Obviously, I want her to have a lot of money. She's like that rich bitch. Obviously, I want her to like travel a lot as well. And I do believe that in the future, I do see her with like a little family,
Same. See,
Oh my god,
curly
that's horrifying.
She's given everyone curly. Oh my god, you know I don't want to have kids.
But that'd be cute.
Oh my god.
That'd be so adorable. I think
Now I
Rida
know
is
Ruhi
so
hates
pretty.
me. Yeah, so if I'm pretty, what am I
Imagine
supposed to?
chotu Ridas walking around.
Oh
yeah.
my god, no
so
way.
cute. Mama, this
Oh my
guy.
goodness. Oh my god, that's
English
horrible.
yapping. So cute. So see, family, money and house.
Yeah, I would love to
Traveling
have
मैंने
a
काट दिया क्योंकि अभी कर रही है वो इतना.
तो मैं फ्यूचर में ना करूं. हाँ,
Of
obviously
course.
अगर 2 बच्चे डाल रखे हैं, जितना मैं उनको पाल के बड़ा करूं, ट्रैवलिंग का ही करूं मैं. मेरी तो आधी लाइफ वही चली
so
जाएगी.
cute. See, curly hair
Wait, now I
baby,
want
curly hair
50.
guy.
You also should suffer if I'm suffering.
Wait, now I will give you 5 kids.
4 kids. Amma,
Hey, I love
at
kids.
least I'm not a single mother.
Hey,
so
wait, let me
that's
give you
good,
a
I guess.
cat also.
Yes, please.
Oh my god, dangerous cat.
Dangerous cat.
ये कैसी cat है देखो.
It's a square cat. I can't do this.
ये cat
वो
भी
रिदा की भी जैसे ये हमेशा तैयार होके बैठी रहती है वो भी तैयार होके बैठी रहेगी एक अलग वे
My
में.
cats are always like very expensive and
Yeah.
sassy.
के 4 more kids.
Eh!
छोटा इधर हाथ में भी.
Oh my god, Rui, I can't do
See,
this.
हाथ में भी एक बच्चू. यहाँ पे उड़ रहा है वो डैडी ने पकड़ के फेंक दिया बाहर. So 4 kids, a cat, lots of money and a house.
Yes, 2 kids. Cats, so they already have. So like 50,000 cats more.
But I like the gym wala detail in the house because that's I do want that. Yes.
You want to have a gym of your own?
Yes, in the house.
In the house.
I was thinking of like a business, but okay.
Nah, fuck all of that now.
Oh no, now you
I think like I want a personal gym. Yeah.
But this is very, very cute. Thank you so
enjoyed.
much.
I enjoyed this actually. Wow, I'm feeling good.
Did I?
Oh.
This year has been so amazing for both of you, individually, collectively. Rida, of course, at the Cannes Film Festival, that was a big thing this year. I mean, did younger Rida ever imagine that वो ऐसा कुछ कर सकती है कभी?
Okay, firstly, I have to tell you that when every time I get this question, like, what do you want to tell your younger self or anything, I think she was the baddest. She never gave up. She always put herself first. She always fought for what she believed in. She was always there for herself. And because she didn't give up is why I'm here. Because if it was any point of time, and my teenage was really hard, my childhood was very complicated, and especially my college years were horrible. You know, growing, especially the whole years, starting from age 14 till 22, I was just devastated in a lot of ways. And there were a lot of chances of me giving up, going back home, just getting married, settle down, just like leaving everything. So I think sometimes right now, when I lose my shit is when I'm like, I need that girl's strength, because what do you mean I could go through all this and now I'm just sad about some internet hate that I'm getting. So no, I absolutely don't. The only thing is she only and always believed in wanting to be free. And that's what she put it out in the universe. So I feel like in freedom in every aspect of life, financially, mentally, physically, has been one of the things that has come true. So I only tell that she was the baddest baddie of all.
Hey.
That's so sweet.
That's cute.
But even for you, we can talk about Alliance a bit.
I feel like this show, somewhere in my heart, I feel like it was made for me. I got to know the show. The cast was fantastic. I genuinely enjoyed it, and I cannot believe that I'm saying this. I am out of a show. I lived there for like 42 days, and I'm like sorted. Like I'm chill. I have no like PTSD or like stress or anything because I had fun, and I feel like I will never get this experience ever in my life. I think I'm also like right now struggling कि what do I do next to find that kick. मुझे लगता है मैं Alliance 2 में चली जाऊंगी, मजा आएगा. Just so that my mind is like, you know.
Always running.
Yeah, it was so much fun and I'm very happy that I did this. And task-oriented stunt shows, I think I'm gonna like go for it.
खतरों के खिलाड़ी.
Yeah, कीड़े मकोड़े everywhere. Whoa, I think I'll be fine.
Please, this woman, there was a frog in our washroom when we were in Philippines, and she was taking a shower, okay, and she's yelling on top of her, Rida! I was like, oh my god, I have never heard Ruhi call me. And what happened? There's a frog, there's a frog, there's a frog.
There's a frog on the like, there's a
And
baju
it
on
was
the wall.
such a cute frog on top of it,
I will
okay?
slap you.
Shut the fuck
That
up.
frog was not cute
It
at
was
all.
the cutest frog. It was green in color. It was so chill. It has this little red line, you know. It was so cute.
Gee, I was just like, stay here. I will take a shower and you're gonna stay here.
yeah.
That shit can jump and like bounce on you anytime.
Yeah, but it's also like the one that sticks on your body and doesn't let go.
Vaheguru.
It was that.
Oh, Absolutely
but I did not
not.
tell her that because I was like, if she's already scared right now, this girl with Kede Makode and Khadro Ke Khiladi would actually be really fun though. My goodness, I have never seen her shat her pants as much as she has shat for a cute little frog. For the love of God, how are you?
See, there are
मुंह
two
पे
kinds.
फेंकेंगे next
How
time.
are you afraid of frogs and cockroaches and lizards?
Of course I
can't
am. Like,
understand.
what are you gonna do? Lizard? Ew.
See, every friendship duo has one person who likes lizards and the other who does
No,
not.
it's not
Who
that.
likes lizards? Who are these friends?
I don't
Disown
like
them.
lizards. I'm just not scared of them. She also has a frog face if you're seeing
That's cute. Mendak.
He was so authentic on the show
Yeah.
that there's one reel that's going viral right now where she burped and how? Have you seen that?
I've witnessed it every.
Can you
single
see it
second
right
of
now
my-
so that
I
you
have
don't-
seen that. You walk in and
This
then
one,
Daisy
see,
and
hear it, hear it.
And I know I've seen this.
Yeah.
Guys, she was not faking this. She does it all the time.
See, you have to be so comfortable with somebody to be able to do that.
Oh, I burp.
Like with everyone.
It's like, it's अभी मैं अंदर
Next
थोड़ी
time she says
रखूँ.
burp, it's
सही
like,
बात है.
put a frog inside the
See,
mouth.
I'll tell you what happened. My mum was only nervous about my burps. Like before going to the show, she's like, "Jo bhi karna hai kar, Jo, like I don't care, do not burp." And I started burping very like nicely, quietly. Like पहले तो washroom में I used to go first because I was just like, you know, थोड़ा bougie cast लग रहा है, elite show लग रहा है, मैं थोड़ा नहीं बनती हूँ ज़्यादा ही कुछ भी. And then I got comfortable धीरे धीरे. And then Minnie के सामने I burped one time, and then after that I just started burping, and people were like, "Are you okay?" And then I'm glad they didn't show it outside. Then उन्होंने deleted scenes में डाल दिया, and I was kind of happy because it's me, guys. I mean, क्या करूँ, डकार आ रही है यार. Like, do I hold it in and I like?
It's fair.
There are also two types of friends. One who doesn't burp and one who does.
What do you do then? That's why you this दिमाग में fog बन गया ऊपर जा जाके gas का. देखो रिदा, you need to let it out.
Let it go. Let it out.
Let it go. Imagine you start burping and you find a good guy.
Ew,
You
disgusting.
find.
I think I don't need to find a good guy. If burping is what makes me find a good guy, I don't think I need to find a guy.
Dakar. So I'm just
We
disgusting like that, and I like it. It's comfort space. If people can smoke in front of me and drink alcohol and वो मैं भी डकार मार सकती हूँ, guys.
Interesting
ask her to
shameless
burp
plug
her
in.
here,
No,
she
no,
will
I'm
burp.
going to do a shameless plug. That's some fine shit.
Yay! I like
Fine
it.
shit, fine shit.
Chilla.
All the nice songs, she goes on to that one song.
Listen, I like
said
it.
what I said.
Listen, I like it. People don't have to like it. People can troll. I don't care. I liked it.
I mean, you're the only thing that was nice in that song. So I support.
I'll take it.
Have you watched that cartoon called Rambo?
Rambo. ये English चीजें मत लाना इधर. Rambo. How old are you, Rida? Talk about Oswald, Pingu, you know,
Shin-chan,
Ninja
Doraemon,
Hattori, Ninja Hattori,
No,
Kochika
but it
mein.
looks like, you know, her in that blazer and everything looks like Rambo dancing. So, but you guys don't know the
Rambo.
reference only. I'll show you.
Again, don't joke in English. It's just not funny. It never lands.
One more.
Rida, it's okay. It's okay. I will laugh. Next joke, I'll laugh.
Yeah, please do.
Yeah.
Thank God, God made me hot because I'm not funny for shit.
I like that. I like that.
That should be on a t-shirt.
Yeah, that is nice.
Yeah. But maza aaya, Rui.
मुझे तो बहुत मजा आया. I had a good time, and I like Guru. Guru is
and,
like amazing.
I put exactly the same diagram the way she danced. She's also like,
Yeah. My hands are going. I'm like living life. It took me a while.
Please.
Rida, can you please do the hook step also for me now?
oh, but, that even, but with the leg, I don't think I can do it.
It's a tough one. It took me a while to get like.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Whoa, Ruhi!
Yay!
So when I drew that image also, I was like, I should have put in a blazer though, but I was like, oh, it's going here and there. The girls everywhere.
Like my like people की इसने जो image बनाई उसकी आंखें दही से पोइसर है, मेरी body दही से पोइसर जाती है. Like anywhere it's going. Flow state.
Yeah.
Okay, I want to ask you now, guys, because we are on the Good Girl show. Tell me,
Good girl.
have you, like, has there ever been an expectation to behave like a good girl growing up? What have you understood of that? Kabhi raha hai wo expectation ya pressure?
Oh, absolutely. From the community I come, the village I come from, the kind of upbringing I've had, my mother has only and only taught me to be a good girl. A lot of it also is me not agreeing to it, you know, that be social expectations of how I should be, what is beauty standards, what I should look like. So even let that be how everything for me, at least in my life, has been going against what the society expects of me or how I should be as a girl. So my idea of a good girl, or a girl for that matter, is whatever makes me feel comfortable. And if you align, you align. If you don't align, you don't align. It's none of my business.
But is there something that you have now finally unlearned?
I think I've unlearned a lot. Firstly, unlearning hating myself, the body I've been in, my color of my skin, my hair. Like, you know, I've had straightened my hair for so many years, and now is when I'm slowly getting back into understanding my curls and doing my curls and making sure that I wear my curls, and a lot of things. You know, how I feel about myself, being okay with the idea of like, oh, you're 27. What do you mean you're single? Oh, you're 27. You're not married. What do you mean you don't want to have kids? Like, there are so many things about me that I'm like, at this point, I've just unlearned everything that my mother has taught me as an idea of a perfect woman. Like, this is what you need to do, and this is who you should be. So for me, yes, it's a lot. It's a long list.
I feel like for me it's so different because my upbringing has been so different. I think my mom is like,
It's beautiful.
yeah, my mom just let me be. We of course share, we talk about a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
But I think my mom just knows me and she likes me for me.
But Ruhi's mother, I call her Ma, comes with an innate confidence. You know,
Yeah.
she will
Yeah.
when a woman comes with confidence, you have no other option but to borrow it from her.
Yeah.
And I love my mother. Now there's a lot of element of me that's my mother in a lot of ways. But she's also someone who only showed her confidence when it's required in like a lot of places which was not required while growing up. You know, she'd only show confidence when she had to teach us how to be with a man or something like that. Like, I don't want to be confident in that zone. Like, teach me how to be. But there's a lot of me that is my mother in a lot of way. And I do feel like if she gets to live another life, I hope she doesn't have us and she live by herself and understands life in her own way, because I have unlearned hating her. And that's one of the things I like with Ruhi's mother also. She's so kind and so nice, and she's always been nice to me. The minute I text her saying I'm in Mumbai, she'll be like, what do you want to eat? And I ask without any shame. I'm like, I want to eat aloo ke parathe. She'll make it for me. And now is when my bond with my mother has gotten better. We went to Coorg together as well.
Yeah,
And
I enjoyed it a lot.
Yeah. My mom loves Ruhi, and my
Yeah.
mom loves Ma as well. And even my dad is usually a social butterfly, so he goes on to it.
Cute.
So unlearning everything she taught me and also accepting her to understand why she taught me that
Yeah.
has been one of the longest process of my life.
We have that bond that we communicate, and there are certain days she's like, you know, wear suit, kuch kudiyan marga kar. I'm like, Ma, this is me. And then she's like, fine. Like, she's okay.
Yeah.
And she let me be. And even if a random stranger will come and tell her, like, Ruhi's doing this or she's doing that, she will never believe them.
Yeah.
Because she knows me, and there's this trust that we have between each other. And I'm just very grateful.
But something that both of you said, and I completely understand and relate, that how our relationship with our mothers
Yeah.
change as we grow up.
Facts.
Because I feel like जब हम छोटे होते हैं तब हम उन्हें सिर्फ उसी रोल में देख रहे होते हैं.
Yeah.
No, but the expectations of a mother is also to do a lot with their kids. The fathers
Correct.
only come in when it's easy and nice, and you feel like, oh my god, my father's like cool and whatever. But your mother's the one who's strict with you. The mother's the one who's teaching you manners. The mother's the one who's telling you not to do this and that. So you kind of build an animosity with somebody who's saying not to do something than with some,
Yeah.
And I feel so bad about, especially in our culture, how much of a load a mother takes, and she's hated on, and she takes that role of like, okay, I'll be hated on, and hoping that eventually this turns something else for me. Especially, I'm not saying it's the case with everybody, at least in my experience.
Yeah.
So the bond I share with Ammi right now is what I like love it. Like, we share
Aww.
everything, we speak about every single thing, and she tries to like have it, and I love to give her everything she did not have while growing up.
It's a big thing, yeah, right? Like my mom, she's recently कुछ 1-2 साल पहले से she started wearing jeans and t-shirts.
Same.
And बहुत छोटी सी चीज है ये.
Yeah, but it's
such a
very-
big deal.
It is a big,
It is.
big deal. And I'm like every time I see her now wearing a jeans and t-shirt, I'm like, oh my god.
Yeah,
So
and then
cute.
my mom had this obsession of like, you know, no, I'm not going to put anything on my face, like the beauty standard or whatever.
Yeah.
Now she has a little makeup pouch of her own, and
So
I'm not
cute.
saying she puts everything. She like a little kajal and a little lip balm with
Oh,
like
that's like
very
me.
little tint because, you know, it should not be seen or whatsoever. And I'm like, she's dolling up for herself and she's feeling pretty, and I was like, that's so beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, the last segment that I have for you guys.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna do some hot takes.
Hot takes. I
Hot
like
takes. Okay, so this is Zivame Grand Lingerie Festival presents Hot Takes. I'll give you a few hot takes, and you have to tell me you agree or disagree. If they're not obsessed with you, they're not the one.
Yeah,
Agree or disagree?
agree. I should not be obsessed with them. They should be obsessed with me.
Oh, I should be. I think it's. Say the question again. She confused me. The fuck?
If they're not obsessed with you, they're not the one.
It has to be healthy obsession.
Correct.
Then I'm good. If it's not healthy, then bye. Because that's scary.
Your friends should get the veto power over your dating app matches.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Yes.
But I do
Agree.
what I want to do after anyway.
That too.
Going out or dressing up on solo dates is performative.
Oh my god, I dress out even if I have to like just to step out of the door. So I don't know if it's performative.
I don't think it's
I'm like, what's the
performative.
point? If you have clothes, you wear it and you dress up.
That, yes. And I feel like when you put a good fit on, you feel
You
great.
feel great, yeah, you're
Yeah, so I
naturally
feel like
feeling
that's the
good.
confidence that you need. It's not for other people. If
Oh,
it's for other people,
oh my
then
god,
it's performative.
like this new thing where they're like, oh, reading book is like performative. I'm like, but I've been reading
yeah,
book for so long.
I can't read for shit.
Yeah, and my New Year resolution this year was to read a lot of books.
And she was reading throughout that whole trip, and I was just like judging her.
क्या अंग्रेजी पढ़ रही
Yeah, ये
है?
क्या book पढ़ रही है? ये हुआ performative.
Comfort culture has made people give up on effort.
I would say,
agree.
agree. Definitely agree.
Agree?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, explain.
Any relationship, I feel like there has to be
Some kind of
of
efforts.
effort. But again, it's about like how we do it. We never make it count. Even if we will, it's just there's a different type of understanding. So I feel like expectation, just like she said, she's a giver. I'm a giver. So I need the same thing back at times.
Although what I agree on for this is when it comes to like dressing up or clothes, I feel like prioritizing comfort.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's a personal style.
That too,
That
I don't even think
becomes
you
your
have anything
personal
to.
style,
Yeah, you can't
yeah.
even judge or say anything. So that comfort, of course, that should be always there.
If the relationship is public, then the breakup should also be public.
Yeah, I like it. If I'm invested, I want to be invested.
I want to know what is happening.
Yeah, spill the tea.
Yeah, like I feel like if a bond is extremely public,
Yeah, like
Then tell us why. Give us time and privacy.
I'll tell you
Bitch,
one thing.
You didn't give us time and privacy.
I'll tell you
when
one
we
thing.
wanted to see
Now,
y'all
if you've made
kissing and
money,
hugging.
if you've made money together, yeah, we need to know. The fuck? पैसा कमाया यार तो और कमाओ ना.
the ick can be overcome. Sometimes you're just being dramatic.
Disagree. Oh my god, an ick is an ick for me.
I
I need
agree.
therapy for that. If I have to overcome, and I've been taking a lot of therapy, she knows.
Yeah.
And I've not been able to overcome an ick. She will. She'll
I-
overcome an ick.
I will, yeah.
Dressing up for your body type is just marketing.
Oh no. I don't. क्या ये मतलब क्या बोलना है इसमें?
So
मतलब
let's say you're a hourglass or a pear shaped or something, and then they're like, hey, this silhouette will look. If you're an hourglass, don't wear baggy, wear body hugging, so your hourglass is shown and that doesn't.
Yeah.
Things
Oh,
like that.
I mean, I don't agree.
I feel like anything with women to do with women when it is marketing.
I agree.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
this one. समझा ही नहीं ना अब तक तो मैं भी yes बोल रही हूँ. तो मेरे लिए तो dressing up and all is like comfort. Like you, if you're comfortable, wear that.
Yeah.
But
so it's
for
very easy because
I do understand the
instills
marketing
the-
vibe
it
though.
instills the insecurity. If you don't have one, then you're just like, yeah, and this is only the what you need to wear or what you need to buy. The personal style is personal style.
It's okay to stalk your ex's girlfriend. Agree, disagree.
Yes.
Oh fuck yes.
I mean, who's
Yeah.
this hot chick? Absolutely.
Yeah.
Guilty.
Yeah, but not for me. It has never been like, oh, I want to see,
What they're
who's
up to
this
types?
or
No.
something. I'm just like, oh, who's this baddie?
Yeah.
Why were you with this guy?
For you, you're funny. I enjoy it for the kicks.
Yeah. If you've saved 2,000 rupees on a sale, you've technically made 2,000 rupees.
Oh, I'll go and buy something extra for 2,000.
Extra for that 2,000 because I'm like, my budget was
Budget-
5,000.
exactly.
And I only spent 3,000 and I've saved 2,000. So now I spent 2,000.
And that's why I don't buy branded like clothes. Because I'm like, उतने पैसे में मैं कितना कुछ ले लूंगी
Yeah,
यार.
yeah,
So I cannot. I thrift a lot.
A cute bra can fix your entire mood.
Cute,
Yeah, if you
cute
have
bra.
boobs, yes.
Hey. But there's nothing cute about the bra. I don't think I relate to that. But I enjoy it. I'm happy.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
Itty-bitty
People know
community.
nothing. They don't know nothing about these baggy clothes.
I know.
Okay, last two. Matching lingerie sets are underrated.
Yeah, why are we not doing that? I have
Yeah.
zero matching sets.
Yeah, I
by
like
the
to
way.
see it on other people.
I need to get one. I don't have only.
Yeah.
It's cute, I feel.
I'll buy you one.
But the issue is, you're
That'd
like,
be weird.
what do I wear it for? I don't know.
For yourself?
yourself.
No, absolutely not. I feel like that's not for yourself. That's for the other person.
No, that is a hot take you should put.
Yeah.
Belting lingerie for yourself or for your partner?
For your partner, any day.
For yourself.
इतना love yourself तो नहीं आ रहा. That's called being single.
And the last one, this is actually a hot take. Your bestie should know your bra size.
Yeah. I actually only shop with her. So
What's my bra size?
wait,
Invisible.
I'll tell you. 32A. 32B.
Yes. A.
Wow!
Mine to then I'll tell you. I'm not gonna
36D.
lie. Double D's.
Wow, guys.
But I'll tell you, my thing is, it's so funny. Again, with all these stuff, my best friend, I've been with her like one time. So there's this one sports bra I used to wear in the States. I am so stupid. ठीक है, I came out of the trial room. और वो जो काउंटर पे लोग हंस रहे हैं मेरे पे. मैं बोला क्या हो गया, मुझे यही चाहिए. This is what I wear every day. Give me like 10 pieces. I came to India to shop. And she started laughing and she's like, Madam, ulta pehna hai. All this while in the States, for 4 years, I was wearing sports bra ulta. And my best friend is dying. I can't believe that I'm talking about this. Imagine.
This has been so much fun,
you,
and
thank
you were right that we actually see so little of your friendship online.
I think I like it because at this point I'm like, the more I put out, the more nazar it is.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah, correct. So
yes.
Keep it
we'll on
safe.
this video we'll put nazar
Remove
button.
एक दूसरा का.
Yes,
ऐसा.
please.
तू
Like,
देख.
between-
निकाल मुझे
you know,
निकाल
as much
मेरी-
as you keep
नजर
saying,
निकाल मेरी पहले फिर. Yes.
Oh!
See? अब नहीं लगेगी नजर.
Thank you so much for sharing so much.
Hey,
And
see?
I told you you'd be happy. So this is
you.
actually a ritual on the show. I think every girl deserves.
thank you
Yes!
so much.
See, that's what I made for you. This is you.
Yeah.
Come, let's kiss.
It's
It's so cute.
At the end,
We have some
Hey.
gifts and some cool hampers from Zivami for
is this
both of you.
32A?
That has to be 36 double D. Yeah.
I hope it is.
Yeah, thank you.
So
That's
cute.
so sweet.
It's pink.
You both are lovely, and I've had so much fun speaking to you both.
You are lovely. I think you made us very
So
comfortable
cute,
too.
Yeah.
So thank
When
you.
we spoke so, I spoke so much. Sorry.
That's Rida. It's fine.
Come on.
वो काट देना ना सब कुछ.
Yeah, like so much yapping.
Thank you, Rida. Thank you, Ruhi, for
Thank
being on the
you.
show. And I also want to thank Zivami for actually making the Good Girl Show Besties Edition happen. Thank you.
This was a very cute show.
Cute show,
I
very
like
cute.
it.
Thank
I'm a
you.
good gal. We are good gals.